We all know that Fiverr helps in creating a safe, a clean and a search-free work environment. But are these the only benefits of Fiverr? There are about 10 benefits of Fiverr which we are going to learn in this video today. Hi there, welcome to Lean Manufacturing Lessons for people who hate reading with me Anand. And today in this video, I am going to list out all the 10 important benefits of implementing Fiverr in your organization. But before we get to these benefits of Fiverr, if you are interested in learning how to implement Fiverr in your organization, be sure to check this particular link here in this corner. So let's get started with this 10 important benefits of Fiverr. The first and most important benefits of Fiverr is the clean and pleasant workplace. The workplace becomes very clean, neat and organized so that people don't have to search for materials. It becomes much more easier to identify the material and things are arranged in a specific location. So that is the most important benefit of Fiverr. The second most important benefit of Fiverr is it creates self-discipline for people. People become self-disciplined. If they find a particular abnormality or some issue in the workplace, they come out on their own and they solve the issue. So it creates a kind of self-discipline among the people. Fiverr is completely owned and sustained by the people. It is not a supervisor only or a manager only program. It is actually implemented and sustained by the operators or the employees in the shop floor. So it creates a self-discipline among the employees. So that's how it gets sustained. So self-disciplined employees actually take less leave, they are on time to work, they take ownership and responsibility in their activity. So this is the second benefit of Fiverr. The third important benefit of Fiverr is identification and elimination of waste in the workplace. Lean always talks about waste elimination in the shop floor. There are actually 7 types of waste which are present in most of the manufacturing companies, and if you want to learn about these 7 types of waste, make sure to click this particular link here. You can learn about the 7 types of waste. So Fiverr helps in identifying and eliminate some of those waste in your organization. It helps in reducing the transportation. It helps in reducing the waiting time. We are removing a lot of these unwanted items from the shop floor. So it actually creates a visibility. People don't have to search. So the waiting time gets reduced. So in this way, Fiverr helps in identifying and eliminating the waste from the workplace. The fourth important benefit is Fiverr helps in creating a space. For example, if you are in a stores, after removing a lot of unwanted items, old tools, unwanted materials, obsolete products from your workplace, you get a lot of space. In one of our clients, we got about 1,000 square feet of space in their shop floor just by removing all these unwanted items. In fact, they removed like a lot of machines, old documents, old jigs and fixtures, broken tools, a lot of things we cleared it and we got a lot of space. So that is the fourth benefit of Fiverr. The fifth benefit of Fiverr is identifying and fixing the abnormalities. When I say abnormalities, in the shop floor, there are a lot of these abnormalities. For example, let us take a particular machine. There is a leakage of oil. That's an abnormality. The machine is making some noise when it is running. That's an abnormality. Fiverr helps in identifying these abnormalities and fixing them. In third years, in the shining part, every day the operator will clean the machine. It's more like an autonomous maintenance. So we identify the abnormality of the machine and also we fix the abnormality. So in that way, we reduce the abnormalities. What is the benefit of this? The machine will not break down that often. The breakdown will get reduced, which also increases the uptime of the machine. This is the fifth benefit. The next benefit is identify the process issues. What are the various issues in the process, like shortage of parts, line imbalance, etc. How often the line is getting stopped because for want of materials. So there is a shortage of material. We can easily identify through Fiverr. Is there a line imbalance issue? Some people are working and some people don't have the material. So there is a clear line imbalance. Those kind of issues can be easily observed and identified by Fiverr. The seventh one is improving the safety. In some companies, we have actually included safety as the 6th S. So 5Ss plus the sixth S is safety. 5S helps in improving the safety. How? We are removing a lot of unwanted items from the shop floor. Yeah, so it creates a visibility. Any safety issue, loose wires, or things which are there in the shop floor, which is like oil spillage, which creates a accident. Those things are actually eliminated by 5S. The eighth point is 5S helps in improving the machine uptime. We also covered this a little bit in the fifth point. By fixing the abnormalities, we are removing the breakdowns. We are reducing the breakdowns of the machine, which means the machine will be able to produce more. We are able to extract more from the machine because the uptime of the machine is high. Yeah, so this is the eighth benefit of 5S. The ninth benefit of 5S is improvement in quality. How can 5S improve the quality? Yeah. When we remove a lot of these unwanted items, when we have a clear specific location for materials, the parts mix-up will not happen. Wrong parts will not be used in the assembly or in your operations. So a lot of these quality issues, the defects related to parts mix-up, right? Parts damages, for example, those things can be removed by 5S implementation. The 10th benefit of 5S is improvement in employee morale and positive attitude. See, when the employee's morale or their motivation is high, it will reduce absenteeism, it will reduce late coming, it will reduce attrition. People will not leave the company. They have a sense of belongingness, or they take ownership in the entire activity. So these employees, they won't leave the company. Their participation will be very high, and the company can realize a lot of benefits. In case there is a suggestion scheme, people will come out and participate in the suggestion scheme. They play an active role in the company's improvement. That's what an employee motivation will result in. So 5S helps in improving the employee motivation. So these are the 10 important benefits of 5S. If you want to implement 5S in your company, make sure to call us. We will also help you in implementing 5S in your company. If you like this particular video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and you can also click the bell icon so that whenever we post a new video, you will get a notification. I will talk to you guys in the next video. See you. Bye.